Hey guys, welcome back. This morning on the agenda, I've got to, I already did chores and milked and everything like that, but I got to feed a bale to the fresh cows. They're about out of hay, and then I got to clean up their bed pack and put some new straw down for them as well. It's pretty nice out. It's been really cold the last few days, but it's supposed to be up, I think 46 today, and then the whole week it's supposed to be in the 40s and even one day in the 50s. So it's gonna be pretty sloppy around here, so I want to get this stuff done while it's still halfway frozen. And then I also got to grab another bale to set out to tear into to feed the cows, the calves, and that spring heifer too. Although I think I'm going to put her out with the rest of the fresh cows. I might try that later today, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I got to set that bale out too, so it's over by them. So when I tear into it, I don't have to go too far to get it. Make sure I stay. So this is their bed pack right here. It's just right outside this pen. This is the barn that we milk in, and I just keep it right outside here, easy to get to. They tend to use it quite a bit, Sometimes they'll camp out down by the hay feeder too. That's why I move the hay feeder every couple days. That way the manure doesn't pile up. So if they lay around it, it's still pretty clean. But I try and coax them in and keep them over here if I can. Well, here we go. Well, let's see how she does. This hay here is a better quality than what they've got down there. What they've got is a good hay, the fresh cows, but it's I believe that's second cutting, I think, of an alfalfa pasture mix. And then this stuff here, I believe is my third or fourth cutting, and so it is a better quality. So what I'll do is I will give them a little bit of this every other day or so, just to kind of help with their milk production. If I give them the whole bale, they'll eat this bale and they won't even touch the other one. So I just give them a little bit at a time. That way they still eat the other bale. And it's good hay, it's all good hay. But this stuff has probably a little bit more protein in it for them. So, well, thanks for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give us a little tickle and hit that thumbs up button. And maybe hit the subscribe too. We might make another one. But anyway, take care of yourself, love yourself, and love each other out there. We'll see you soon.